Alright, stick cam battery's probably about to die. Flew at a weird camera angle just a little bit ago and crashed my quad, but let's see how we go now. Let's go, new spot. Decent weather. Okay. Put out the hole on that one. I didn't realize there was another tree and a big huge pole right next to it. Sorry about that. Messy, messy, messy. King of messy freestyle. Alright. Keeping it in the groove. Keeping it in the groove. In the groove of messy freestyle. Yeah, there's really nothing much going on. You know, just chilling, just having a good time. Hopefully my stick cam doesn't really die out quick like it usually does. This is a new spot for me, so I'm still kind of learning all the right angles and the right areas to be at. It's kind of like when you play Call of Duty and you really have that map knowledge and you know exactly what to do, but you have no idea what to do on a new map. It's kind of how it feels when you go to a new spot and you decide to freestyle there. See, like, because I know in certain spots when I go there, a quick little 360, and I know what direction I'm probably going to be facing in. Or if I mess up a little 360, I know certain landmarks that can tell me where I am exactly. Being in a new spot kind of takes all that away. Also, today's a cloudy day. Very, very cloudy day. Very cloudy day. Had to turn my brightness up on my FPV goggles in order to be able to see properly. This little goalpost right here took me out a little earlier. I'll play the footage if I actually saved it on the GoPro, which I feel like I didn't even record that moment. I'll play it at the very end of this video if I did actually record it. A little low battery. Let's go a little casual. Let's go a little stroll in the park, shall we? Let's see how far we can go out here. Just see what's going on around this park. Kind of scope out the location. That's a human being over there.
What?
We're not going to go close to that human being. My goggles are beeping at me because it's a low battery. We've been flying for a little bit. Oh, I hit the ground. Didn't want to make that battery sag a little too much. A little too high. Don't want that huge battery sag. Yeah, look at that. This park is huge. I mean, it's a park that I've been at before. I just never really went to this spot. This specific location. Getting pretty clear video all the way out here. You know, RapidFire and TBS Tracer. Killing it. Is that my drone? That's a bird?
Yeah.
I thought it was my drone. I freaked out for a second.
No.
If you guys couldn't hear it, there was a little sound coming from the same side that my drone was coming from. Probably little baby blue jays. Oh, it's super low battery actually. I'm gonna have to end it here, boys. Gonna land it inside the car to end it. Nice. GG, boys.
Nice.